Facetory Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Yellow Book Box. So this monthly YA book subscription box is tailored to you. So when you sign up to this, you're gonna take their like match survey, and it's like fun questions like, where would you be reading? Like in a cafe, in a park, what would you be reading? Like what do you do while you read? Like just very fun questions. So what's in every box? There are 2 newly released hardcover young adult books, as well as a Yellow Book Box book marker. Boxes are $42 if you get month to month. They do have a reduced price if you subscribe to a longer subscription, and shipping is free. So here we are, we're gonna open this baby up. I figured this might be fun too because I did not get any photos of right inside the box. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Don't mind my nails, they look terrible. The inside is black and white, which I think is really cool with the yellow. And then right on top, oh, it's sealed. Ooh, isn't that fancy? And then oh, I'm very excited now. So right on top, I've opened it up obviously, is our Yellow Book Box bookmark. The adventure starts here. I don't remember what I said on my survey, but I do love like love stories, but I also like historical fiction. So first we have Valiant Ladies. This says, that is why we're out here, skulking around in the dead of night instead of tucked into our beds like good girls. Neither of us fits quite right in the home we've been given, so we sneak out searching for the things that feel right and true and good. What I don't tell her, what I can never even tell her, is that the only home I know, the only home I ever want to know, is her. Not this house or its finery or its wealth, just her. So that's cute. Terribly romantic. That looks fun. Aww. All right, so that's a Melissa Gray title. And then second, it says What Souls Are Made Of, a Wuthering Heights remix. And this is by Tasha Suri. Sometimes lost things find their way home. Yorkshire, Northern England, 1786. As the abandoned son of a, what's that word? A Lascar, I don't know what that is, a sailor from India, Heathcliff has spent most of his young life maligned as an outsider. When he's brought to a household on the Yorkshire moors, he clings to his birth father's language, even though it makes the children of the house call him an animal, and the maids claim he speaks gibberish. Catherine is the younger child of the estate's owner, a daughter with light skin and brown curls, and a mother whom nobody talks about. Her father is grooming her for a place in proper society, and that's all that matters. Catherine knows she must mold herself into someone well-mannered and marriageable. Marriageable, I didn't know that was a word. Even though such an effort might destroy her spirit. As they occasionally flee into the moors to escape judgment and share the half-remembered language of their unknown kin, Catherine and Heathcliff come to find solace in each other. Deep down in their souls, they can feel they are the same. But after the death of Catherine's father, the household's treatment of Heathcliff only grows more cruel, and the relationship between him and Catherine becomes strained and threatened to unravel. For how can they ever be together when loving each other, and indeed loving themselves, is as good as throwing themselves into poverty and death? Ooh, girl, that sounds like a good one. All right, so that is my Yellow Book Box. So 1 book, 2 book, Yellow Book. So for $42 a month, you're getting each book for about $21. Plus the shipping is free, which I think is a pretty good deal. I do love that they kind of curate it for you. I get overwhelmed when I go to bookstores. I know that because and by the way, I still get overwhelmed with my own amount of books, like choosing one to read every month or every couple weeks or whatever. Just because I have so many. There's so many books, so little time. But anyway, I love this box. I think it's great. I will link down below to Yellow Book Box if you're interested in checking them out. As always, thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I'll see you next time.